Hello everybody, this is part 2 of how do you make money with a blog. In part 1 we looked at Google AdSense and we looked at affiliate marketing. My name's Theo McArthur. I've been blogging for 20 years and teaching blogging for around 5 years. Okay, so as just mentioned, in part 1 I covered the two most popular ways to make money with a blog, and that is affiliate marketing and ad publishing with Google AdSense. But there are other ways, and there are other very good ways. It could be that you have your own products or your own service, or you plan to have, in which case it is very easy to sell those products or services through a WordPress blog. And you do it with a free plugin, another free plugin called WooCommerce. I already have WooCommerce installed on this blog, and if we go to the plugins and take a look at the installed plugins on this blog, here's WooCommerce, and WooCommerce allows you to sell anything, digital products, tangible products, services, anything at all. And it has a number of free add-ons. So for example, the WooCommerce ShipStation integration, that's for shipping out orders to customers. This would be relevant if you were shipping tangible products. And there is this one here, shipping and tax. And this is how you can set up automatic tax calculation, because if you are selling to a number of states in the US, the tax in each state will be different. And if you are selling in, say, for example, more than one country in Europe, the tax rates will be different. You can do this all and set it all up automatically with this plugin. WooCommerce Stripe Gateway, this is another free plugin, and this allows you to take credit card payments. You can also connect WooCommerce to your PayPal account if you want to use PayPal to process customers' payments. So when you install WooCommerce, it automatically sets up all the relevant pages. So you will then have a shop page on your blog and a checkout page, customer account pages, and everything else that you need. So WordPress is much more than just a blogging platform. It is very well set up for you to sell your own products and services as well if you have them. The next option for making money that I would like to show you is a membership site. Now you might want to set up a membership site if you have a service that you want people to subscribe to and pay something on a monthly basis, or perhaps a quarterly basis or annual basis, however you want to set it up. Once again, there is a free plugin for that. In fact, there are several free plugins. But if you go into your dashboard and if you go to the menu, you go to Plugins, Add New, and then type Membership into the search box, one of the first plugins that comes up will be Ultimate Member. And this is most definitely one of the best, if not perhaps the best. Paid Memberships Pro is another good one, but Ultimate Member is the most popular. So with this plugin, you can do anything that you will need to do or want to do with a membership site. So it sets the whole thing up for you. It allows your users to create their own profiles, allows them to register and log in. And it also allows you to create custom user roles. So perhaps you want to have some members on a free plan, so they are getting something different to members on a paid plan. Or perhaps you want to have different levels. So you may want to have a basic plan at $5 a month, a premium plan or a pro plan at $15 a month, and a premium plan at $30 a month. That's just an example to explain what you can do with this plugin. There are a few screenshots here to look at, but it's nothing great. What you can do though is go to the plugin home page, and you can see a lot more on that plugin home page. But once again, this is a free plugin, and they do have a support forum as well, so if you get stuck with setting anything up, you can head on over there. Okay, so that's two more ways. that you can make money with a blog, selling your own products and services using the free WooCommerce plugin and the free add-ons, and setting up a paid membership site.